Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about NFL app and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter through the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.